Hey Stats class, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a scatter plot in Google Sheets or Excel. So you're going to come over here, you see this little button that says copy. I'm going to copy that to my clipboard, Control C copy, and then come over here in one of the cells and just Control V paste. You can do Command C and Command V on a Mac. So there's my data set. I want to make a scatter plot. All I have to do here is highlight column A, hold down Shift, scroll right to column B, and then go up here. Let me blow this up so you can see the actual buttons. There's insert, and then I'm going to come down to chart. Alright, by default here it gave me scatter plot. If it gives you something else, you just go to the drop down menu here and go to suggest. Typically it'll be suggested, and if you see the scatter plot, it's the dots, and select that. If not, just scroll down until you see it. It should be right there, the blue and red dots there. Alright, and now I'm comparing that scatter chart. Let me scroll it, squeeze it down a little, to the one that I see on the screen. Alright, now I want you to see here that, let me move this up so it'll show up a little better. This is the one that is the correct value. I've already answered it and got it correct. Notice it's going between 20 and 40, and ours is going between 0 and 40. You can fix that by clicking any of these numbers on your vertical scale and then change the numbers for the min and max right here. So this is going between 20, and then tab over to the max and make it 40. And then when you click off of that, you'll have your min and max in the right numbers. All right, you can also do that horizontally. So that's 2,000 to 5,000. So I can click any number here, go down to min and max, and make it be the numbers that they're using. And so now mine clearly matches up with that a little bit better than it did before. So scatter plots are going to be important in this section, this chapter, so it's really important that you can find those. All right, is there a linear relationship? Absolutely, just because of how tight that linear pattern is. Clearly, as weight goes up, the highway miles per gallon goes down, and you can scroll down, you can see that's the last question that we're asked. Is there a relationship? Yes. As one goes up, the other goes down.